Hey folks, now let's imagine Twitter as a busy highway or motorway. You're the passenger of the car, things are zooming past you at high speed. Let's just imagine you see a billboard that looks like this. Is it going to stick in your mind? Are you going to remember it? Is it even going to stand out from the rest? Chances are, nope. Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Twitter. Now, a lot of the time I see Twitter being massively underused, and it is such a huge platform for discoverability. And it's kind of sad when you see a profile or you see in a feed someone just constantly dropping links to their own channel and not really utilizing the platform to its fullest potential. But to be honest, Twitter is a bit of a maze, and it can be difficult to know what to do at the right time for the most benefit. So today we're going to be looking at a few tips to use Twitter correctly, not just for streamers, but for everybody. Okay, now first and foremost, hashtags can be quite misleading. You see a lot of people using a lot of hashtags. The more hashtags there are, I think the harder it is to distinguish what the content is. And to be honest, when you're reading content, do you look at the hashtags? What do you think when you see content and there's just a load of hashtags in it? Does it actually turn you off from reading the content? Most likely yes. The key thing is, and always has been, the actual content of the tweet, posting a link on its own. Don't forget that content on its own, if it's just a link away from the platform, Twitter's not going to rank it very highly. It's just an exit route for people to leave Twitter, so why would they rank it highly? What you need to do is enrich that tweet with content that will be interesting, that will be valuable to the person looking at it. So this could be an image, maybe a photo of you, maybe of you playing the game, maybe of your stream, something to really catch the eye and show what you're about and encourage people to click the link. And preferentially, if you can, get a video. The fact is you've probably got an archive of content from all your previous streams and no doubt a ton of clips that are really entertaining, and maybe edit one of those clips, put a little funny thumbnail on the front of it in the first few seconds, at the end of it have a little ident that shows your channel link, use that as content to show people what your stream is about. And the timing of this can be perfect. If you post this just before you're going live, that means for the first 20-30 minutes of your stream, that social post is getting sorted by the algorithm and people will be seeing it and clicking on it. And the benefit here is if they click the link to your channel or go to Twitch and search for you, you'll be live straight away and they can carry on that interest from the tweet, seeing that clip straight into your live channel, and the odds are you'll probably get a follow from them. You'll get some interest straight away rather than them just going to your channel and you being offline, and the chances are that interest will be lost straight away. Another key point here, folks, is engage with others as you'd like to be engaged. Now, just posting a load of links, posting a load of content, it's great, it's showing what you're about, but you're not really connecting with people. And the thing about social media is it's pretty social. Make use of it to tell people what you're about, to show your opinions, to share comments on what they're doing. And in return, people will start commenting on you as well. It's not just one-way traffic, it's social media. It's got to go two ways. So the key thing is to find other people that are talking about trending items, talking about games you like, talking about subjects you're interested in, and start conversations with people. These aren't necessarily people you already follow. You want to keep growing that circle, moving that bubble out, and finding new people you can relate to that might be interested in your content as well. Start adding comments, start discussions, start replying, retweeting, and really start to engage with other people. You'll see that social circle increase and increase and increase, and that's only going to help your channel as well. Another key thing is to try and put yourself in the mind of the viewer. How is someone who is scrolling through that Twitter feed perceiving your tweet, perceiving your personality? If they told their friends, would they say, oh yeah, I saw this cool tweet of a guy hit this great shot on Apex Legends, it was amazing? Or are they more likely to say, hey, have you seen Martocodo? Hit this great shot on Apex Legends. Now, we're losing reality a little bit here, but bear with me. The thing is, are they going to mention you, or are they just going to mention the gameplay? And that's the subtle difference. And if you can get your personality out there, that's what's going to drive the right traffic to you. This is another thing. Post more content than just your going live announcements. You want to be connecting with people all the time, whether you're posting a poll to maybe get some information about what game you should play, what videos you should make, what things you could add to your stream that make it more interesting. These are your potential viewers out there, and polling them is a great way to not only get information, but keep active on social media. And the fact that you're asking your viewers for their opinion will help to make them feel valued. It's polls, it's pictures, it's funny videos, it could be quotes of the day, it could be funny jokes. Whatever your thing is, just keep putting it out there on social media. Help demonstrating all those different sides of your personality. Build your brand on social media so it doesn't just become going live links. You're an actual person, an actual personality that people can relate to and will then want to follow their channel. Okay folks, let's round up. So 1, we're losing those links and those hashtags. Ideally we're enriching all of our content with pictures or videos. Second of all, the timing of those postings. So we want to be posting those funny clips just before we go live, give it a short bit of time for the algorithm to start feeding that post through onto people's timelines. And then as they click through, you're already live and they are straight into watching you and a real chance to connect with you straight away. The highest impact level has been achieved. Second of all, we're posting more content throughout the week that is not just live announcements. We're posting information about what's happening to us, decisions we're making about our stream, things we're doing in our daily lives. We're relating to other people, funny clips of games that we've played, all things that are not just live announcements but help to really show our personality off. Number 3, we're commenting, we're liking, we're connecting with other people and their posts. We're connecting with similar-minded people. We're connecting about topics that we want to talk about, things we like. And if you comment, like, and get involved in discussions, people will do the same back with you. So your content will start to get more engagement and everyone benefits. All right, folks, that was my quick guide to how to use Twitter better in 2020, especially if you're a streamer. Hope you like the content. If you've got any ideas, any strategies on how to use Twitter better, please add a comment below underneath the video. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification down below to get notified every time I post a new video. Plus, if you'd like to discuss any of this live, you can find me on Twitch every single Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. The link is below me and, of course, in the description below. And don't forget, work smart and have fun.